Today on the Bondo Brothers, we're going to be installing some Apex valve stems in Sabas's Bronco. Shouldn't take very long. Check this out. It's a new product, a rapid air deflator valve stem. Check it out. Whoa, these things deflate fast, real fast. You pull the trigger, you're not paying attention, your tire will be flat quick, 15 seconds or less, depending on how much air you have. Whoa, check it out. Hit the like button, subscribe. Yeah. Okay, Apex Performance valve stems installed. Sabas is putting 30 psi in the wheel. All right, 30 psi. Okay, hit it, son.